How you guys doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here with a real crisp 2020 F-150. Now, this is an XLT, but it's just kind of a basic work truck done up in white. It's a 4-door short bed. As you can see, we gave it a nice construction package. Now, this is going to be one of our newer format videos where we're going to actually put this into a package for purchase on the website. So you can look in the description of this video to see links to the very simple parts we used. In the front, we have our ECO HAW set, our ECO HAW set. Same in the back, one set for the back, one set for the front. And up there on the roof, we're running a 16-inch mini Sentry mounted to the Acari Drill-Free Mount, the low pro 22-inch profile. So there's basically 4 pieces to this build: your front hideaway set, your back hideaway set, your rooftop mount, and your rooftop light bar. You'll also need a switch and some wire, which will be included in the kit. I'd like to take the time to mention that this is a drill-free install on that roof bar. It's a damage-free, so if you want to trade in the truck later, no problem. There's a little closer shot of that Acari mount for you. You can see that light working its magic. Now you can see a little clearer. Zoom right in for you there. How that mount is. Nice, clean, easy to install. I have a video that explains exactly how to put that in on a separate video. We'll link to that as well. It's a very easy install. Inside the truck there, very easy. We just slapped a switch underneath the AC vent. You can also go right there a little bit to the right of that location, a little closer to the instrument cluster if you prefer. Both of these locations I've used extensively in my videos, so if you check out a couple of other videos, you'll surely see that. You'll grab your power and ground right from the factory cigarette port, or the 12-volt accessory port on the right side of the radio. That way it's controlled by the retained accessory power, and it also has a factory fuse. You can run that back to the switch, connect everything up to it. Alrighty, as far as how we're mounting that ECO HAW in the front, it's included with piano black bezel. So you just use the included bezel, and you put the foam gasket washer behind the bezel in front of the hideaway. Then you can screw it right to the grill like that. There's a single hole needed for the wire, and the wire has a quick disconnect on it already. So underneath the hood, you make the quick disconnects accessible. That way, if you ever need to pull the grill off of the truck, you simply disconnect the 2 quick disconnect waterproof connections. The grill, the lights come right off the truck for service. Very easy, very quick. And I say it works pretty good. I like how it turned out. I think it does a very good job in the front of this truck. And if you didn't want the roof bar, this would be the look that you would get without the roof bar. Alright, around the back of the truck, as you can see right there, we are running our ECO HAW in the back. It mounts in the factory reverse, very easy. Now make sure that these are the same reverse that you have. Make sure you don't have the lariat tail lights because you opted for a bliss system or some option like that. You need those big standard reverse sockets right here, the big ones, to put hideaways in them. If you have the tiny little sliver white ones, they're not going to work. So you can also see the light bar on the roof doing what it does. So once again, please check the description or the read more section right below this video for all the links to everything you need on this, and you can find it as well right on our website at wickedwarnings.com. I hope you enjoyed this display. Let me know if you have any questions. Send an email in to info@wickedwarnings.com. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.